Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Dana August Nails. Welcome back to my channel. Let's jump right into the watch me work. So I have already prepped these nails. I've gone in with tips, and guys, I just want to let you know that I use base coat, Gershion base coat, to apply my tips. I use a little bit of extra bond to the free edge, put the base coat on the inside of the tip, press it in, and then cure it for 30 seconds. And now I'm applying base coat to the surface of the natural nail and curing for 30 seconds. And I have already gone in with Mia Secret dehydrator and extra bond, as you know. So this Polygel, it's from Gershion, it's from their red kit, and it's color number 1. And I would say this is a nice, soft, like camouflage color. I mean, you could press some flowers in this and be done. So as you noticed, I have put that bead just below the cuticle area. My brush, which is the Gershion brush, is doused in the Gershion base coat. And what I actually do is I tackle one side of the cuticle, one side of the nail, and then I move on to the next. So we're gonna, boom, okay, so just under the cuticle area, as you've seen with the spatula side. And now I'm attacking that bead, making it nice and flush to one side of the cuticle, going all the way from that side of the cuticle to the sidewall. And once I'm satisfied with that, I go to the other side of the cuticle, moving the product all the way to that sidewall, and I keep that concentrated amount of the product right where the extension, the tip, and the natural nail meet, and I leave most of that product there for my apex, and then I just brush a very thin layer of that polygel down to the free edge, checking my sidewalls. And guys, that's how I do it. You don't need a lot of product, you really don't. And here I am just repeating, you know, the process of just moving from sidewall to sidewall. Sometimes I'll have like a little bit more product than I actually needed, but and of course I'm working from one hand to the next. When one hand's in the lamp, I just move on to the other hand while it's curing. I don't actually flash cure. I cure each nail for a full 60 seconds because it gives me the time to put the product on the nail. And to apply polygel to the nail, it takes me about 2 minutes, 3 minutes to do the first nail, and then every other nail is about 2 minutes, and the time decreases once I feel more comfortable with the process, because again, every client I have is not a polygel client. And here I am just showing you what I normally do to make sure my apex is nice and flush, sorry, not nice and flush, but nicely shaped. And because base coat's on that brush, it just, did y'all see that electric slide across the nail? Y'all please. Base coat, baby. Don't knock a slip solution though, okay? I'm just saying. So here I'm just filing the nails. I contour the sides. I go all the way around to the cuticle area, continue to contour the sides, and then after I'm happy with the surface of the nail, I then start refining my shape. And always looking at it from the client's perspective as well is like key. So my sister actually applied, because she borrowed my damn gel polish. This is my older sister. Did I not mention I'm doing her nails again? I'm doing my older sister's nails because she's about to go to, where she's going? She's going to one of our islands in the Bahamas called Eleuthera for like a baby christening, and she was like, do my nails. And I was like, okay, where are my coins? So she's already applied this color to her toes, which is the Misty Gel Polish series in Rhoda Red, and it's color number 1 in the Rhoda Red series. Each series has 6 colors. This is color number 1. So I'm going in with my first coat, and I will be curing it for a full 60 seconds. I do 2 coats on about 6 of the nails. 6 of the nails, 2 coats. And you know what she did? She copycatted me, because I have had Rhoda Red on my toes for pretty much all of winter/spring. So she better not. I know you guys noticed that I don't work with towels when I'm like, because I'm at my mom's house where my sister also lives, and so we always end up using towels to work over, but I don't work on towels for the same reason, because there's a considerable amount of fuzz. I'm not here for it. So second coat, cured for 60 seconds. So now I'm taking my detail brush from Beauty Galleria. I've dipped it into Rhoda Red number 1. And I am going to create 2 lines. It's like a bit of a wonky slanted X across the nail. And to be completely honest, I appreciate this polygel when it's like in this like matted form, because I filed it. But anyway, once I have that X drawn the way I want it, I start filling in the bottom and the top triangles with Rhoda Red number 1. And I cure this for a full 60 seconds, as well as apply 2 coats. I don't know if a lot of people do it. I don't think I see them doing it, but I don't know if people polish that free edge, but I did it because I thought it was cute. I don't know if it's gonna last, but oh well. Okay, so here I am going in with that second coat. And again, curing. This is another detail brush. You guys have seen these rainbow detail brushes to the death of me. And y'all probably think they're so cute. Oh my gosh. It's a struggle to work with these brushes. Okay, so I've switched to a Beauty Galleria brush, and this color, oh my gosh, this glitter is from Lavender Violets. It's from their glitter polish, like mini, with about, I think it's like 9 plus 9 is like 18 colors plus the base coat and the top coat. This is color number 5. On my life, I feel like this is that glitter that, you know, once when it's like with the flash, it starts like glittering up the world. Anyway, I could be wrong. So I'm sorry if you guys hear that noise. I feel like my ceiling fan is gonna fall from the ceiling, so y'all better pray for me, okay? And then pray for the landlords, because it better not. I know that's right. So I have filled in the other 2 squares with this beautiful glitter, and it's supposed to be a silver, but I kind of want to say it's like a really soft champagne gold. Yeah, it's a champagne gold because the bottle looks silvery, but not really. And then I do a full cover of this glitter on the index finger just to sort of give in more of that glitter because it's popping. And I do 2 coats of that and fully cure it, as well as 2 coats of filling in those triangle areas and fully coat for a full 60 seconds. Y'all, it's top coat time. So I'm using the Gershion top coat, and I know you have heard me in the past say, oh my gosh, it's so runny. I don't know why, but it's working for me right now. So I apply the top coat and I cure for a full 60 seconds, guys. And in the comments, y'all let me know how y'all feel about this glitter, because I'm here for it. She was like, glitter and make it pop. And I was like, okay, I guess I could do that. I guess I could do that. You guys, guess what my sister paid me in? Because I was like, run my coins. Do you know what she paid me in? That girl. This is how you know it's a pandemic. That girl gave me $20 for gas money and a bag of groceries. Who's complaining? Not me. Listen to me. I kept that $20. I'm about to eat those groceries. Yes, I'm not complaining. So I'm finishing this look up with Cuticle Oil. Cuticle Oil is super important. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not liked, shared, and subscribed and commented, do consider doing so. Please look forward to the product list below. Follow me on social media, and here's a video and picture of the finished product. You guys, just so you know, like how, like the perks of being the little sister. I did as you know, you've already seen the video, and I'm gonna include this in the video, but I did my older sister's nails. I got all these groceries, dude, and $20 for gas. Like, I don't want to say hashtag blessed, but I want to say hashtag blessed. Yeah, my sister and I generally, like when I'm doing my older sister's nails, you guys know, like we eat. We didn't eat though, but I came home and I had made this like soup with like literally everything that's left in the cupboard and in the fridge from some leftover turkey that I made. When did I make this? With? I made this turkey.
2 or 3 Sundays ago.
It wasn't 3 Sundays ago. It was like two Sundays. Anyway, leftovers be damned. And so now I'm having this. So yeah, and the baby's here. So I'm just having this on my lunch list right now. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Okay, love you guys. Bye.